Number 10. Nevada, USA. Nevada, USA Burning Man is an annual festival that takes place in the Black Rock Desert of Nevada. It is a unique event that promotes self-expression, art, and community. Participants, known as burners, create a temporary city called Black Rock City and bring art installations, theme camps, and mutant vehicles to showcase their creativity. The festival culminates with the burning of a large wooden effigy, known as the Man. Burning Man encourages radical self-reliance, inclusion, and communal participation. Number 9. Rio Carnival de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio Carnival de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio Carnival is one of the most famous and vibrant festivals in the world. It is held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and is a massive celebration leading up to Lent. The carnival features elaborate parades by various samba schools, showcasing stunning costumes, energetic music, and synchronized dancing. The highlight is the Sambadrome Parade, where samba schools compete for the title of the best performance. Street parties, known as blocos, are held throughout the city, creating a lively and festive atmosphere. Number 8. Holi, India and Nepal. Holi, India and Nepal. Holi is a colorful Hindu festival celebrated in India and Nepal. It marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. Participants gather in open spaces and throw colored powders and water at each other, creating a vibrant and joyous atmosphere. Holi also involves singing, dancing, and feasting on traditional sweets. It is a time when social barriers are broken, and people come together to celebrate with enthusiasm and playfulness. Number 7. Munich, Germany. Munich, Germany. Oktoberfest is the world's largest beer festival and takes place in Munich, Germany. It originally began as a celebration of the Bavarian Crown Prince Ludwig's marriage in 1810. Today, millions of people from around the world gather in large beer tents to enjoy traditional Bavarian beer, food, and music. The festival also features amusement rides, parades, and traditional Bavarian attire, such as lederhosen and dirndls. Oktoberfest is a vibrant and lively celebration of Bavarian culture and hospitality. Number 6. Bienal, Spain. Bienal, Spain. La Tomatina is a unique festival held in the town of Bienal, Spain. It is a massive tomato fight where participants pelt each other with ripe tomatoes. The festival began in the 1940s as a playful event among friends and has now become a popular international attraction. Thousands of people gather in the streets, and trucks bring in tons of tomatoes for the participants to throw at each other. It is a fun and messy experience that brings people together for a unique celebration. Number 5. Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. Harbin Ice and Snow Festival, China. The Harbin Ice and Snow Festival is an annual winter festival held in Harbin, China. It is known for its breathtaking ice and snow sculptures that transform the city into a winter wonderland. Artists from around the world create massive sculptures, including ice castles, buildings, and intricate artworks. The festival also includes ice lantern shows, snow slides, ice skating, and winter sports competitions. It attracts visitors who come to witness the stunning ice and snow creations. Number 4. Dia de los Muertos, Mexico. Dia de los Muertos, Mexico. Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is a traditional Mexican festival that honors and remembers deceased loved ones. It is a vibrant and colorful celebration that takes place on November 1st and 2nd. Families create altars, known as ofrendas, adorned with photos, food, candles, and marigold flowers. They believe that during this time, the spirits of the departed return to celebrate with the living. The festival also involves parades, sugar skull decorations, face painting, and traditional music and dances. Number 3. Glastonbury Festival, Somerset, England. Glastonbury Festival, Somerset, England. Glastonbury Festival is a renowned music and performing arts festival held in Somerset, England. It features a diverse lineup of musicians, bands, and artists from various genres performing across multiple stages. The festival encompasses not only music but also theater, comedy, circus acts, poetry, and visual arts. Glastonbury is known for its unique atmosphere, camping experience, and commitment to sustainability and charitable causes. Number 2. Songkran Water Festival, Thailand. Songkran Water Festival, Thailand. Songkran is the traditional Thai New Year festival celebrated in mid-April. It is famous for its water fights, which symbolize the cleansing of the past year's misfortunes and starting fresh for the new year. Participants engage in playful water battles on the streets, using water guns, buckets, and hoses. People also visit temples, make merit, and pour scented water over the hands of elders as a sign of respect. Songkran is a joyful and refreshing festival that brings people together in a fun and festive atmosphere. Number 1. Carnival of Venice, Italy. Carnival of Venice, Italy. The Carnival of Venice is an elegant and historic festival that dates back to the 13th century. It takes place in Venice, Italy, and is known for its elaborate masks and costumes. During the carnival, participants dress in traditional Venetian attire, including ornate masks and period clothing. The festival is characterized by masquerade balls, parades, street performances, and live music. It is a time when people can indulge in fantasy and anonymity while celebrating the rich history and culture of Venice.